The first we cut wire bottom of pot. That wire tie down tree. Doesn't have edge inside, so it's easier to take off pot. This one first. After cut.
すごい簡単に取れたね。
で、
あんまり手伝いたい。
いや、大丈夫大丈夫。I want to change angle. こんな感じ。
お辞儀してる状態だから起こすみたいな。
I want to start the bottom of tree first to make this angle. So, あしゃ。We knock first, like this. Don't scratch first. If you scratch first, it's gonna be little bit damage. You can give damage to the tree. I'm gonna cut long root. After cut long root, you can scratch. かからないからね。So we want to change like this angle. So that I'm gonna scratch like this angle. I want to make flat bottom of tree. When you touch hard area after knock, I guess ex-owner found this roots. That's why ex-owner planting deep pot. I have to check roots. Here are junction, so almost same size. Better to make dry before repotting. It's not so dry. This is looks like new soil. Last repotting ex-owner planting like this soil, but here looks much older than here.
だで。
Pay attention to don't give damage on roots. So better to scratch just the soil and leave roots. Japanese English. These two roots I want to push down more. So This is black soil. It's so much older than outside. Here. These roots for nebari. I mean the base of tree. So if you want to make new nebari, you have to grow over the soil. If you grow under the soil, slowly to getting fat and also never get good bark. So soil level should be like this line. Dead gin, dead one. 細い根ばっかだ。ここに太い根が出てきた。
そ
こ
こ
こだって低すぎるもんね。
低い、ちょっとバランス悪いな。
It's kind of history. We should clean up outside. 水が溜まりそうなところは穴を開けて。
イングリッシュ。巨石。巨石。
I took off all the soil, just bottom of gin and root. I can bend the soil level. This gin and two roots too high. Make line to protect alive line. After make line, squash. If tree grow in the nature, some reason tree roots branch. I mean something strong wind or thunder or fall down rock. Some reason roots branch. Then gonna be gin. But if just cut by scissors, that cut end never get in the nature. So I think better to make like this pill. Then I think this way good to imitate nature, protect alive line. Under here doesn't have good roots. I wanna push down these two roots. You see roots here, so this roots back to trunk. Next repotting, I gonna cut back here, make room to push down roots. You can styling nebari when you repotting. These roots like this. Just hold the net, and these wire just for tie down. And these holes we don't use this time. The first charcoal, bigger charcoal. It's good to three bigger akadama and river sand. I should say river stone, little bit bigger one. これを I want to change angle, so little bit more soil grown.
前に土を多く、
少し多めに置いて角度前がちょっと上がるように、
だいぶお辞儀してたもん
でこの上をライトを押し込む。Light flow planting in left, different.
いいと思います。ボティグラウスプランティン
So we want to push down these two roots by wire. よいしょ。これでjust hold the tree also, so making roots styling 粘りで good to tie down around tree 見えるかなワイヤー、
見える。
You see ワイヤーだいぶこう上がったもん。If just put soil between roots have some room. If you leave this room, tree cannot keep good condition. So don't leave room in the pot. So put soil, then shake. Outside you can like this, but inside like this. And also push it like this. If you doesn't push hand by hand, roots come up, and if you stay roots over the soil, that root going die. So better stay in soil. Don't put too many soil first. You give too many soil first, and this work. Bottom will be small soil and the top gonna be bigger soil. You can make separate. So little by little. After 80% done, then 叩く。Knock. Are you okay?
Knock. Are you okay?
Last one. Just put give soil. Just give soil. Last one. ウォータリング until clear water come out bottom of pot.
ォーターだでね。
クリアウォーターカムアウトだね。
すごい英語なんだけ
クリアウォーターカムアウトだもんで。
ど。なんかバカにしてるちょっと。
OK ですよ。
オッケー。
ありがとうございます。